So now what we need to do is that we need to get these products from the database and display these products here we need to get them from the database and display them here. And in order to do that, we need to connect to the database and get these products. So here as well, we need to get these products. Here as well, we need to get these products. And to do all of this, the first step is that first you need to make sure that your Apache server is up and running and your database, MySQL database, is up and running. The next step is that we need to convert the index into PHP. So I'm going to rename this file, and this file is no longer going to be index.html. It's going to be index.php. And we no longer can run this file like this. We cannot just open it in the browser like this. Instead, we should, from now on, we need to click on View and then Terminal, and then we need to run the server, because PHP runs only on the server. So we need to say here PHP minus capital S and then local host and then colon 8000. So you need to type this command. You need to type this command in the directory of your project. And I'm using here, as you can see, I'm using the terminal that comes with the Visual Studio Code. If you chose to use another terminal, you need to make sure that you are pointing to your project folder. You need to make sure that you are in your project folder. And then here type PHP minus S minus capital S and then localhost colon 8000 and then hit enter. This is going to start a server, and here it says development server, this server started. Now we can copy this line, this URL, localhost colon 8000, and then in the browser, let me close this. We no longer can open this. I'm gonna close this, and then here I'm gonna paste the URL, which is http and then colon / localhost colon 8000. Now if I hit enter, guess what? I'm gonna get the same exact code. But the difference is that now I'm using PHP. Now we are working with the server. So now we are good to go. So this is a very important step that you need to do, which is running your server and going to the server in order to make sure that your server is up and running. And also make sure that you have converted your index.html to index.php.